Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I did a airsoft arsenal, and as you can probably see, a lot has changed. A lot has changed. Well, not a lot, but as you can see, I've taken off the flash hider from my MP5, and now it's right there. So yeah, the MP5, you guys probably all know this gun. It's got MP5 sights. It's got the ambidextrous fire selector switch. One side, the other side, which is good. Battery goes in here. You guys probably know the specs of this gun. Next, moving on to my new gun. I did a review on this. It's my UTG full stock M3. Actual name is M3L. The L standing for the long stock, I guess, something like that. Then you got the sniper. You guys have seen that. Then to pistols. You guys have seen my Beretta. Nothing new. You guys haven't seen, I don't think, my P9 by Crossman. You guys haven't seen my electric blowback pistol. About 150 FPS. And you guys have seen my Uzi. Oh, okay. Batteries are dead, but you have all seen my Uzi. Moving on to holsters. This one came with the P9, as you can see. Crossman right there. So, it goes with that, and you can slide it right in like that. And you can hold a mag up there. And this one goes with the Beretta. Slide it in there, and you're good to go. Moving on to mags. As you guys probably know if you saw my last airsoft arsenal, you got 2 MP5 mags. Planning on getting a bigger one. Not sure. Got 2 P9 mags. Alright. I got my rifle mag. My Beretta mag. Full metal, which is heavy, but I like it. Next, I got UTG shotgun shells. 3 black, 3 red, 2 green. Load them into the UTG shotgun, of course. Next, I got the electric blowback mag. Shaped like any blowback pistol mag, I think. And this is just my flash hider. Don't know why it was over there. Alright, and that is my updated airsoft arsenal. Planning on getting the airsoft Broxa, not sure, maybe. Alright, so I will see you next time, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.